The project is a two-story modern Japanese-themed residential building on a 150 square meter regular lot which includes a landscape garden. The residence was designed to encourage light penetration and ventilation inside the house, having ample area sizes and accessibility to the family. The curved roof and large windows makes the highlight of the design that made its identity and uniqueness. Having a natural tone color schemes allow the architecture to speak for itself through its unique form and symmetry. Upon opening in the main entrance, an 18 square meter open living space warmly welcomes the residents with the overall view of the interior of the house, showing visual transparency which gives the feeling of belongingness. The ground floor includes an open-plan design with a linear kitchen to the dinner area that can open up to the porch, access via bifold doors that can be utilized as an extension providing more space for events. When closed, the bifold doors seals of the interior space but still provide the dining area and kitchen a view of the front garden, allowing the residents to relax while eating or preparing for food. The initial spaces were recognized with respect to light penetration, area size, and accessibility. With a regular lot area of 150 square meters, the building has a total of 179.42 square meters. The entire space seamlessly spread out upon the entrance. An open-planned ground floor welcomes the residents to configure the layout inside to suit their daily lifestyle. Going to the second floor, a common hallway meets the residents which goes toward each individual bedrooms and a common toilet and bath for the two bedrooms. The master bedroom has an ample space provided with a walk-in closet and an own toilet and bath with two lavatories. A bay seating window and a private access to the balcony that welcomes the client in the master bedroom to an open natural view. The master bedroom is located at the south part of the house facing the main road. A large bay window seating allows the clients to have a full view of the front yard of the house and to allow natural lighting to enter the room. This bright atmosphere amplifies the expansion perception of the space. A side console on the opposite side can be utilized as a dresser, workspace and display area. Two side tables with outlet switch are also provided near the bed to allow flexibility. Before entering the master toilet and bath, you will first approach the master walk-in closet. This room is well lit and organized, having a his and hers closet areas with a wood and gray profile. The master toilet and bath offers a spacious and bright atmosphere as it contains a wide overhead window to allow ample light to enter the room. Two lavatories are being provided to accommodate both couple. The wide mirror contains an up and down light accent that gives a proper lighting effect. A common storage in between the lavatory counter is also provided.